everyone, you're here to learn new artistic things out of paper. I'm sure you all know as you grow up, things become a little trickier. The folds get a little difficult, but then the end result is truly splendid. We're now going to make a bird which is found usually near the seashore. It is white in color. Have you guessed it already? It's a seagull. So let's make one. Take a sheet of paper and keep the white side up. Now turn it sideways so that you have a corner pointing upwards. Fold the bottom corner to the top corner. Press your folds and then lift the bottom corner and fold it to the top. So that it becomes half here. And fold this fold and you will find a center line here in this piece of rectangle. Now the next thing you need to do is fold this base of the triangle upwards until you reach somewhere near this line. There are going to be approximately 4 folds. Let's do it. Let's begin with the first one. This is not very thick. This is a thin strip of paper. So this is one, and then a second one, the third one, and finally the fourth one. Now you can see this line is just a guiding line for you. You might reach somewhere near this line. So there are 4 folds like this, and this triangle that you see above this base has to be lifted. Just the top sheet, the top leaf comes down like that. And you can see the white square in between. Now you have to fold the left side to the right side from the back side like this and fold it into half. It's a thick paper, so it gets a little tricky. So let's do it gently. There you go. And now one is going to be the head and the other one is going to be the tail of the bird. So let's do that. Turn it sideways and backwards. And after this mountain fold, make a small valley fold like this and fold it like that, and you will see there is a valley fold here and a mountain fold here and one fold right at the back. So making use of all these lines, you simply have to push it like this from the top. First open this a little, just push this head, it comes downwards. And fold it back in such a way that it rests over the body. And the tip comes in the front. Now, the next thing you need to do is fold this part in the front just a little, and then on the back side. So flip it over and fold it on the other side as well. Now this is done only to give a little 3D effect to our bird. So when you open both the flaps, you will have this center part like that. And let's make the beak once again. You have the folds ready. You simply have to fold it back. And your bird is ready for you to take a flight. And what you have is the seagull ready for you.